In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Chatgpt with Facebook Messenger and Instagram DMs. To get started, open Go High Level and make sure you're inside the correct location or account where you want this messaging setup to live. This is important because integrations are usually connected at the location level, so you want to confirm you're working in the right place before making any changes. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for your account. From there, click on Settings. If you don't immediately see it, just scroll a little in the sidebar until it appears. After you enter the Settings area, stay on the left-hand side again and look for Integrations. Go ahead and click that. This section is where Go High Level lets you connect external platforms, including social channels like Facebook and Instagram, so everything can work together in one place. When the integrations page opens, use the search bar to make things faster. Type in Facebook, and you should see the Facebook integration appear in the results. This helps narrow down the list, especially if you have a lot of available integrations showing. Once you see Facebook in the list, select it and then click Connect. At this point, Go High Level will prompt you to sign in and authorize your Facebook account. Make sure you connect the correct Facebook account, especially if you manage multiple pages or business profiles. It's a good idea to double check that you're choosing the one linked to the business you want to use for Messenger conversations. Go ahead and complete the Facebook connection process by approving the requested permissions. These permissions allow the platform to access the tools it needs in order to manage messaging and related features properly. If a permissions window appears, review it carefully and continue through the prompts until the connection is confirmed. Once your Facebook account is connected, the next step is to connect your Instagram through Facebook as well. This matters because Instagram direct messages are typically managed through the same meta connection flow. If your Instagram account is already linked to your Facebook business setup, this part should be fairly smooth. Follow the prompts to connect the Instagram account associated with that Facebook profile. Again, make sure you select the correct account so your DMs route into the right system. If something doesn't appear right away, it may help to confirm that your Instagram is properly linked inside your Meta or Facebook business settings before returning here. And that's it. Once both Facebook and Instagram are connected, you'll be in a much better position to use ChatGPT-powered automations for Messenger and Instagram DMs inside Go High Level.